Hello there, and welcome to another episode of the Video Mama Diaries. In today's episode, I'll be sharing a very exciting DIY project that we did. And it's exciting because of two reasons. One, because it was my daughter's first birthday, and two, because we got to do the DIY photo shoot. So for her first birthday, we decided to do an indoor photo shoot at home. And of course, I had to go to the mother of all ideas, Pinterest, and get some few ideas and alternatives to what I might or might not have. And I really loved that they had some ideas that were workable, and I decided to go for it. So the first thing was, of course, getting the backdrop, and I used this sheet. I had to iron it because it was wrinkled, and getting it crisp. And then I had some deco pieces laying around in the house, so I decided I'll use this and use some gift boxes as the props, because I was like, I'm just playing around with this and see how it all comes together. Of course, some balloons for her to play around with, and I liked how it came together in the end. And so I was there in the first location, and I was like, this has to work because now I'm giving it my all. But even after all this struggle, I didn't like the way it came. Like, I think it was where I set it up. Either those two things were either too high, the balloons were far, and she's short and she would be seated, so I was like, it's not giving.
The next day.
So we woke up, of course, breakfast, because feeding a child who you're going to photoshoot is key. And after that, we had to get ready. I had two outfits to choose between this one and the white one, and I decided to go with the white one because of the backdrop and everything. So this is what it looked like after I changed the location. We brought her the cake because we were going for a cake smash type of vibe, and she was really excited. I think the candles was more exciting than the cake, but she was all in for it, and whoa, she had a blast with the cake, man. She really enjoyed the cake. She was like, I think I'm never gonna have this opportunity again to eat all this sugar, so let me dive in.